Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good morning to you.
Good morning. Is it morning in the UK?
Yes, I'm okay.
Cool. Here it's 7 p.m.
7 p.m. You mean there is evening,
Yeah, evening.
but it's in India. It's early morning. It's 5. It's 5:50.
Oh, that's so early. I would still be sleeping.
So,
So, I see a lesson on foods you love. You want to
yes.
do this lesson?
I would like to talk about favorites. I mean, how to ask someone their favorites.
How to ask someone their favorite foods?
Yes, yes.
Okay. We can see what the lesson has, but we don't have to do it the whole time. So this might help you. Can you read this question?
Yes. The first one is, what's your favorite food?
Yes. My favorite food is tacos.
Suppose.
Yeah. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is they don't like rice curry. Very simple.
I like curry. It's really tasty.
Yeah.
What about the second question? Can you read?
What's your favorite meal to cook?
My favorite meal to cook is pasta because it's easy and tasty. What about you?
Actually, I like to cook that prepares early, and Maggie is also my favorite
Oh, okay, nice. I only cook
because
sometimes. Go ahead. Sorry.
it takes fewer time, so I prefer.
Yeah, I like quick meals.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
What's the most popular food in your country?
Um, Probably cheeseburgers and pizza. Yeah.
Uh, that's good.
What about in India?
In India, people do eat fast foods like chow mein or chats. There are a lot of fast foods.
Like McDonald's?
Yes, yes.
Mm,
And pizzas are also very trending here.
yeah. Do you know all of these words?
Yeah, I do know.
You don't know these?
Uh, should I read out?
Yeah, sure.
Chicken, beef, fish, tomato, onion, pepper, cheese, milk, butter, bread, noodle, rice.
Good. And all of these here are called starch. Have you heard this word?
Gosh. It's like nutrients in found in food.
Yeah, it's like potatoes, bread, rice.
Yes.
Okay. Can you read this for me?
My favorite meal. A meal is the food you eat at breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Mhm.
On the next slide, we will read a short passage about the meal you see on the left. Do you know what is called? What foods do you see?
Yeah,
It's burger. It's burger.
close. It's called a Philly cheesesteak.
Here it's called burger.
Okay. We'll read about it here.
My favorite meal is of the day is lunch. My favorite thing to eat for lunch is a cheese steak sandwich. It has beef, onions, peppers, and bread. There is cheese on the meat and vegetables. It's delicious. Actually, I would like to clear one
Hmm.
thing. Uh, I do like veg foods, vegetarian foods.
You like dairy foods?
I meant vegetarian
Oh,
foods.
vegetarian foods. Okay. So you don't like meat.
No, at all.
Mm. I think we already answered these. Mm, what?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
How often do you eat your favorite meal?
Uh, I never get a time, but whenever I get a time, I eat outside. Yes. It may be monthly or weekly.
Okay. Same here, probably once a week for me.
That's, that's nice.
Can you read this question?
Do you usually cook your food meal at home or eat at a restaurant?
I usually, lately, I've been eating at the restaurant. It just depends. How about you?
It's like different for me because I don't cook myself. I am married at the early age, so my wife cooks and I eat at home.
That's nice.
Sometimes I also do outings, but it's very unusual.
Yeah, I understand. So you already answered this question. Do you eat meat? But why not?
I don't eat meat because I think it's about hurting creatures. I think they get hurt.
Yeah, yeah. I tried to go vegan for a while, but it was really hard for me.
Yes.
So now I just eat chicken and fish, but no red meat.
Oh.
Do you know anyone else who doesn't eat meat?
Yes, my whole family, most of the members of my family do not eat meat
Okay,
because we always prefer the things which God had gifted to us to eat.
that's good. Here is a quick grammar review of how to use would like. You can use would like to express a want or a wish, or
Yes, yes.
you can use would like to ask for something. Can you read these two sentences to express a want or wish?
I want to go home right now. It's less polite. More polite be, I would like to go home now, if that's all right.
Good. So to say I would like is more polite.
Yes, yes.
What about these two? Can you read those?
Bring me a glass of water. And the more polite sentence would be, I would like a glass of water, please.
Good. So here we'll try to fill in the blanks. Here's an example for the first one for Marcos.
Yes.
Can you read that for me? Can you read that? Mhm.
Marcos, Marcos would like to have rice with dinner.
Good. So that's good. Can you make a sentence
Have
for the
rice.
second one?
Uh, Wei serve dash and dash to his guests. So this one is I can't identify. Uh,
Oh, this is an onion and this is fish.
I guessed. Yes, yes, yes.
So we would say Wei would
Served.
like to serve onion and fish to his guests.
To,
What about this one?
Beatrice put tomato on her salad.
Yes, Beatrice would like to put tomato on her salad.
Yes.
And Kate?
Kate would like children. What this one is too, I can't identify.
This is bread and butter.
Bread and butter. Yes. So I can read out. Kate would like to give her children bread and butter.
Good. Can you read this instructions for me?
Take turns with your tutor to say one new food you want to try and one food you do not want to try. You can say anything, but here are some examples to get it started. Frog legs, peanut butter, words meat, cheese steak sandwich,
Good. This here is Vegemite. They eat
Vegemite.
that in Australia. So I would like to try capsa because everyone tells me, all my students from Saudi Arabia told me to try capsa. I would not like to try sushi because I ate it one time and it made me sick. So I don't want it. How about you?
I would like to try milk foods
Hmm.
because it's very pleasing to
Hmm.
me. It's healthier to me.
Is there anything you don't like to
I
try?
would, I would not like to try meats or any non-vegetarian food.
Good. Okay. Inviting a guest for dinner. Imagine you are in this situation and role play with your tutor. Can you read the situation?
You made a new friend and you would like to invite them to have a dinner at your house tomorrow night. You need to know that what food they like to eat so you can prepare a meal with they will love.
Okay, someone call you. Hi, I'm cooking dinner tomorrow. Would you like to come over?
Yes, surely I would like to.
Okay, what time works for you? Is 6 p.m. okay?
Yes.
Okay. Um, you're a vegetarian, right? Okay.
Yes.
So I won't cook any meat. I'll cook something tasty. Do you have any suggestions?
Uh, do you know about kheer?
Okay. Yeah, I've heard of this.
It is made by milk and rice
Okay.
and some.
That sounds awesome. I'll look up a recipe. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, good. I only have a
That's good.
minute, so I don't know if we have time. Do you think you could find the error in the sentence?
Uh, I would like to eat bread for
Yeah.
breakfast.
Two is missing right here. Or I mean right here. Sorry. What about this one?
We would like to have ice cream after dinner.
Yes, like is missing right here. And this one?
And again, she would like to have more chili.
Yeah, should be have, not has.
Yes, yes,
Good.
yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
No, just I would like to know about you.
Oh,
From
I'm
which country
I'm from the
are you?
USA. I live in South Carolina
Yeah.
and I teach English online to Chinese students. And Cambly is just for extra money.
Oh, That's
Yeah.
very nice of you. Yeah. Good to hear.